Hey, what's up guys, I hope all of you doing well. So today in this video we will talk about the One UI 8 update for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. First up, the biggest upgrade is the Galaxy AI. One UI 8 enhances the experience with the tools like Navbar, Listen Brief and the Gemini Live. The One UI 8 will not bring in some UI changes like there were before with the One UI 7 update. It will come with very few new AI features and mostly it will enhance the previously existing AI features, with some smoother animations while opening and closing all the apps. AI features like the audio eraser will be enhanced and it will work beyond video. You can clean up background noise from voices notes and call recordings, even inside the Samsung Notes. Also, the Samsung Weather app will get an enhanced version with some new animations and a new UI design. The Gemini will be also integrated more with the new One UI 8 update, and hopefully the battery drain issue will be fixed with the One UI 8 update for the users that are facing it. And obviously with the One UI 8 update you will get to see the Android 16 update as well. If we talk about the release date of the One UI 8 update, so right now the beta 4 is live for the Galaxy S25 user. If you're a Galaxy S25 user, you can enroll for the beta 4 by simply going to the Samsung members app. From here, you can get to see the banner of the beta update. Then you can apply for the One UI 8 beta update and get the update from the settings. But if you are not a S25 user, you will have to wait for the official release. And the expected release date of the One UI 8 update will be the late August or the early September 2025. There is no confirmed news yet about the release date, but hopefully in the late August, we will get to see the stable version of the One UI 8 update. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was some latest news regarding the One UI 8 update for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.